Hello beautiful souls, I hope you all are doing great. Now talking about, in this video, we'll be covering pendulum healing. When to take pendulum healing, when not to take pendulum healing. Basically, there's never a no or contraindication for any healing therapy, okay? So anyone can take healings, but who can actually go towards pendulum healing, who can seek those therapies? We all know that pendulums are very sensitive tools for detecting even the slightest blocks, even the minutest blocks, okay? So pendulum makes sure that if there is even a tiny block in your energy, in your aura, or in your life, in your thoughts, in your mind, in your chakras, pendulum will detect that and it will make sure that it is completely balanced. So number one, if you want to get completely healed without even slightest block, you can definitely go for pendulum healing. Number two, if you want to get multiple related issues healed at the same time together, then of course you can go for other therapies, but pendulum healing will work much better than other healings, okay? Because other healings target one issue at a time, and along with that they of course work on other issues, but pendulum healing targets all the issues at a time, all the related issues. For example, if a person, let's say if a person has met with an accident, for example, so what are the things which can happen to a person because of that? First is physical, physical issues like fractures or ligament tears or any kind of, issues, physical issues. Number two is fear. If they have been victims of road traffic accidents, then of course for some time they might, or even for longer duration, they might fear going in traffic. So that is number one is physical. Number two is mental. Third one is they might be going through a lot of emotional problems also. They might be going through lack of confidence, or they might be stressed about the future. If, let's say, if exams are approaching, or if an interview is approaching and they have fractured legs, of course they'll be tensed about that also. And yeah, so it will affect overall quality of their life, right? Few people who are bedridden for months, then of course they have other issues also which originate because of being bedridden, right? So these all factors, these all things are related to accident, right? So we can address all these issues at a particular time with pendulum healing, making sure that none of the blocks are remained, even the slightest blocks are completely healed, so that you feel overall positivity and benefits at all levels, all aspects together. So in such conditions, definitely I would recommend you to go for pendulum healing therapy. Okay. And of course, as I said, that there's no contraindication for any therapy. There are no side effects for any therapy. Basically, the do's and don'ts and commonly asked questions on Reiki are applicable to all the healing modalities. Example, the healing symptoms, are there any side effects, are the results guaranteed, and lot many other questions which I have covered in Q&A on Reiki, they are applicable to every other spiritual healing modality. Okay, so if you have further questions on that, feel free to watch that video which is in the Reiki playlist. Okay, and yes, please subscribe to this channel so that you get more information on the topics of healing, on the topics of spirituality. And if you have any doubts in this, feel free to comment below. Take care, stay blessed, bye bye.